Brian Bowersock here with the West Automotive Group. Today we're talking about, would your vehicle pass a safety inspection? Some of these numbers are probably going to amaze you. On average across the nation, we found that 32% of vehicles need a simple oil change. 15% of vehicles had bad wiper blades on them. Now, can you imagine going into the winter months with bad wiper blades on your vehicle, or the rainy season? That could definitely be a problem. 18% of vehicles need a belt replaced. 12% of vehicles have radiator hoses that are failing, or cooling system components such as a fan clutch or electric fans, etc. Multiple vehicles need items such as power steering fluid replaced, or brake fluid, or brake issues on the vehicle, in a lower amount, of course, about 5 to 7%. Believe it or not, there's actually about 3% of vehicles out there that have a broken mirror on them. How many of you folks have hit a mirror on the side of the garage and broke the mirror and then drove around for a while? This can actually be quite a safety issue, especially if you can't see what's coming up on the right or left of you. About 12% of vehicles have a bad headlight or light on the vehicle, and about 4% of vehicles need an air filter replaced. Please make sure and get your vehicle in and get it serviced. Keep you and your family safe.
Join the Auto Man next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB.